Hi, welcome back to Crypto News. On this channel, we'll keep updated with the most important news in the crypto market. So, if you're into crypto and want to make the most from this market, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I'm Chloe, your host today. Let's get started. As you might know, the collapse of FTX crypto exchange has shaken the entire crypto space, and the contagion has been spreading fast to other companies in the crypto industry, including Genesis and Grayscale, two big institutional players belonging to digital currency groups of Barry Silbert. And because Coinbase provides custodial service to Grayscale, people are afraid that FTX contagion might even spread to this exchange, which is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. This story is complex, since the institutions are separate entities but highly connected through business and financial relationships. Therefore, in order to understand it, we need to go through brief introductions of digital cryptocurrency groups, Grayscale and Genesis. Digital Currency Group is a venture capital company that specializes in cryptocurrency, digital currency, and blockchain markets. The company's portfolio includes Genesis Global Trading, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, and Coindesk. Genesis Global Trading was founded in 2013 and launched the first over-the-counter trading desk in the United States that year. Genesis' two biggest borrowers were Three Arrows Capital, a Singapore-based crypto hedge fund, and Alamander Research, a trading company closely affiliated with FTX. Both are now in bankruptcy proceedings, so now Genesis is facing some serious trouble. This time last week, a confidential fundraising document revealed that the cryptocurrency lender was seeking an emergency loan of $1 billion from investors before it suspended withdrawals from its website the day before. Many people have been worried that Genesis' liquidity crunch could badly affect Digital Currency Group and Grayscale. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, or Grayscale in short, is the world's largest Bitcoin fund. It's also the first ever publicly traded trust that has a digital currencies as its underlying value. A few days ago, shares of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust were trading at a new record discount of 43% compared to the price of underlying Bitcoin. Crypto analysts are speculating as to the reasons, but the added pressures come after Genesis Global Capital announced this week that it would suspend customer withdrawal from its lending units, stemming from the fallout from the collapse of FTX crypto empire. Looking through the relationship between Digital Currency Group, Genesis, Grayscale, and FTX, many people are now worried that FTX fallout may badly impact Digital Currency Group, Genesis, Grayscale, and their partners, including Coinbase. And today we got news that Binance CEO CZ tweeted about his doubt about Grayscale and Coinbase, one of the main backers of Grayscale, on Twitter space that concerned many users. A few minutes later, he deleted his post. So what did he say? Why did he delete it? Let's figure it out today. On Tuesday, Binance CEO CZ stepped into one of the biggest worries of the moment. Doubts among some observers that Grayscale actually holds all the Bitcoin it says it does. Grayscale has said the concerns are unjustified, and Grayscale has been backed up by its partner Coinbase, the exchange that holds Bitcoins. But CZ tweeted numbers that, if they go through, would undermine Grayscale and Coinbase positions. Just stating news reports, not making any claims, he wrote on the now deleted tweet. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong appeared to respond soon on Twitter that, if you see food out there, remember our financials are public. We are a public company, referring to crypto language for fear, uncertainty, and doubts. Binance Square is just a privately held company that doesn't disclose financial information. Minutes later, CZ deleted his original tweet saying, Brian Armstrong just told me the numbers are wrong. He added, let's work together to improve transparency in this industry. In general, people fear that the contagions of FTX fallout does not only spread to Genesis and Grayscale, but also to their partners, especially Coinbase. Every small action of those companies has been watched. The tweet of CZ about his doubt about the transparencies of Grayscale and Coinbase has created great concern among users. Many people even think that Coinbase is on the verge of its collapse. But just calm down, because Coinbase is a public company that has been listed on the US stock exchange, which means every data about Coinbase has been shown in public. Just the doubts about the community in chess messages is unnecessary. So please don't be panicked. So what do you think about this? Share the thought in the comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I'm Chloe. See you on the next video. Bye!